People across North Carolina want safe and appealing options for walking and bicycling in their communities, including the trip to school. In response to that need, the North Carolina Department of Transportation and the North Carolina Division of Public Health have established a joint partnership project called Active Routes to School. 10 regional Active Routes to School coordinators are working across North Carolina to increase awareness about the benefits of active travel to school. Many children aren't getting the physical activity they need. Getting to school on foot or bicycle offers an opportunity for students and families to burn off energy. This helps with children's health and learning and also benefits the community through reduced traffic congestion and helping create a sense of neighborhood. Regional Active Routes to School coordinators work to raise awareness, support walking and bicycling programming, deliver training, change policy, and identify improvements to the physical environment that improve safety for students of all abilities. For some communities, walking or bicycling to school is just not an option. In these situations, schools can use remote drop-off programs and walking on the school campus to help children get the physical activity they need as well as practice valuable safety skills.
Of course, the first benefit is the emphasis on physical fitness for our students. The second benefit is the emphasis on physical fitness for our staff. We work hard to put that at the forefront. In addition to our academic excellence, is that we take care of our bodies and we are physically fit, and we have a sort of intentional purpose to make that happen.
Since 2006, the North Carolina Department of Transportation's Safe Routes to School program has focused on increasing safety for K-8 students traveling to school by foot or bicycle and developing facilities that everyone can use.
This is part of a bigger plan. We have a North Carolina bicycling and pedestrian plan. This is not a one-off. This is something that's part of a bigger plan to promote an active lifestyle, to promote bicycling and increase pedestrian uses.
Well, for children, we know that it takes 60 minutes a day of physical activity for them to have a health benefit from those activities. So the goal is to promote as much health as we can and actually academic achievement as well. Both of those things improve with 60 minutes a day of physical activity.
Communities large and small, urban and rural, are addressing walking and bicycling issues around the state. Some students may live too far away, or there are no sidewalks or other features to support safe walking and biking. In some places, regional Active Routes to School coordinators are helping schools address these issues through remote drop-off programs. Remote drop-off programs establish locations for students and families to meet and walk or bike the remainder of the trip as a group. Some communities have great conditions for walking, but parents don't feel comfortable letting their children travel to school alone or aren't able to walk with them. Walking school bus programs may be the answer to this concern. Walking school buses are groups of children who walk designated routes to school under adult supervision, picking up kids along the way, just like a normal school bus. For some neighborhoods, it's a casual group walk, while others set up a formal plan with adults scheduled to walk on certain days.
There's definitely a sense of community that it builds because you get to know neighbors that are on the other side of the neighborhood that you wouldn't necessarily know. The kids get to spend extra time with their friends, and it's good to be active along the way to school because you get here and then you have to do so much sitting.
Communities and schools across North Carolina are using walking and bicycling events, remote drop-off programs, and walking school buses as opportunities to reconnect and celebrate the joy of walking and biking. Active Routes to School is just one of the many ways that NCDOT is responding to the requests of all North Carolinians. For more information about the statewide pedestrian and bicycle master plan, visit ncdot.gov/bikeped. For more information about the Active Routes to School project, visit communityclinicalconnections.com/activeroutes.